welcome to the Krown's magical crypto cave. Take your pants off.
Well. Thank you for that beautiful introduction, Elsa, and welcome back to Krown's Crypto Cave. It is a start. It is our Monday start to the week. It's a new week. This massive, girthy, disgusting, but also ever so present blue 377 exponential moving average right over here, which has been our governing factor ever since we kind of got into this more aggressive consolidation. Bitcoin is and does have a chance to actually break this out to the upside, as we are closer to the resistance than we are to the support, which would be a time to be a little bit more bullish than not. This would imply more bullish resolution to this formation, and I do have a measure move pointing us all the way towards about 5,700, give or take a few bucks. If we do actually break this onwards and up to the upside, as long as we are above this moving average, I'm not bearish on this formation. Now, if we do break this moving average, then yes, I will start to show a lot of other things that suggest that not only will we be taking a likely step down to about 4,900, but likely much lower than that. You can masturbate with sandpaper, or you can trade Bitcoin on a Saturday. Please don't tell me that people are trying to buy this shit. Oh my god. Ugh. Brian, what the fuck, man? What the fuck? But I definitely do not give a fuck about a simple moving average cross. BTC. Okay, Mithril. This sounds legit. This sounds like something I'd want to put all my life savings into. This sounds like something I just wanted to open up my mouth and say, "Oh fuck!" Guys, there is an 81% drop. Any news? Guys, I opened up my Blockfolio, and it's down 10%. Any news? And I heard that in the news, so fuck off, Krown. Piece of shit. Fucking hate you, stupid orange shirt. Go to jail, you fuck. But guys, Cardano's having a conference. You know what conferences mean, right? They're gonna announce what they've been waiting to announce for the last 2 weeks while the price was going straight fucking nosedive down. No one's still using this blockchain. So... Oh, bad. Really bad. Oh, fucking bad, man. This is just another low. This is a sell, man. It's just a pullback, bro. Any news? It's just a 90% pullback. We are pumping. Holy fucking moly. Wait, that is a girthy green dildo. Come on, baby. Show me how big and thick you can get, man. Wait, where did these massive green dildos come from? Green cobras are rising right here, right now. This is absolutely astronomical. Can we see some more action, some cobra actions? Get these cobras back into the market. Bitcoin will rise like the cobra. Shorter beware. Taking up his first leg above 5,500. Now we've come back down, retested it once, retested it twice, and now retesting resistance. So to me, this is very, this is pretty damn constructive. Overall, the big news was yesterday with the breakout right over here above 5330-ish area, which happened right after we got off live stream. But hey, that was a signal that we were looking for, and that has initiated the first, our measured move, if I can stop stuttering, which would be pointing a little bit higher, actually, all the way up here towards this 5800-ish territory. Shorts higher than longs. Any news? Any news? We have a golden cross, so get long, moon. You're standing in the way of like a massive red dildo train, and your pants are down and your bunghole is wide open. Here's the problem with the weekly. Simplify. High, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, high. You're gonna need. This one's gonna need some more news, man. It's gonna need some more news. It's not looking good. Pretty weak. Bullish AF, bullish as fuck. It's bullish AF, actually. With the way that things stand, I do look at this as just a retest of support and this massive blue 377 exponential moving average right over here, which actually did just get crossed up by the red 10 simple, are the big supports for price action. We spent a lot of time, about 3-4 weeks, grinding this area out, and of course, because it took so long to take it out to the upside, I would be looking for this to be strong support actually on the downside. That also means, though, if Bitcoin does break back down below this blue 377 exponential, which is currently coming in around about a little bit above 5,300. I'll call it 53. I'm going to refer to it as 5,350, but understand it's not exactly that. It's like 5,325 if you really want to get super, fucking microscope on it. But as long as Bitcoin's above that, I do view this as just a pullback on the higher time frames. Of course, if we do take that out, though, that's going to open up the floodgates for a move back down to about 5,000-ish area. 5,000 going to be the next big massive support for this overall structure. In your face saying, hey, fucker, hey, pussy, short me. But again, I would strongly suggest a message of caution right now, just with either side. 53.50. If that breaks to the downside, yes, I do look for an extended pullback, likely to 5,000 and probably beyond. That's going to start to take on all of the other indicators that we just showed. It's going to have an avalanche effect. By the same token, as long as Bitcoin holds this area up, hey man, it could very easily pop back up, tag the highs, grind this area out, maybe even work its way up to the top of the box as we looked at earlier. I'd be cautiously bullish. It is bullish until that happens. But the second that CMEs tick below 53.75 is the second that we're likely going to see this start to situate itself as bearish divergence, also wrangled below the exponential on the daily, and we're going to see daily Stokes cross the downside, which are actually in progress right now. You see opening the day up and then selling off really. Whoa, GBTC big rejection on GBTC. GBTC actually opened the day up pretty nice, all the way at like $7. Sorry, almost $7.20. Now back below $7, down to $6.69. Fucking yeah, man, nice number. Does look to me like this wants to come lower. And yes, we do have daily Stokes going to be crossing down, and we do have daily RSI confirming itself as bearish divergence, I believe. Yes, it is, and that's going to likely set us up for a move back down to 63. 633, which where would that put spot charts at? That would put spot charts at 51.50 actually. So am I about to call a move down to 51.50? Maybe. I mean, that's kind of what it's saying, to be honest. What I would recommend doing is joining Discord, because holy shit, what have I been missing out on the conversations in there? Very thick Texas accent, which makes it way fucking better, telling me about these dumb horses, these damn kangaroos beating up my clients. Check it out, man. It's considered to be a blue chip crypto. There's no such thing as a blue chip crypto, man. There's no such thing. There are things that might survive, and there are things that will probably not survive. And I'd say this is the chart of something that is not a blue chip at all. This is a fucking... Listen. Any news? I want you to take a bunch of chips, and instead of using toilet paper the next time that you go to the bathroom, use those chips. And that is the kind of chip that I would use to describe a chart like this. This is all kinds of... And on top of that, you're going to need a lot of... Any news? Any news? Any news? And there we go. Let's look at Bitcoin. Wait, no, Tether. What's going on over here? We can actually chart out Tether now, can't we? This is Tether versus the dollar. And as you can see, Tether taking a nice little dumpy dump. And here we go. Overall, this is quite concerning. I would imagine that there's going to be a massive premium on Finex right now. And there is Finex trading at 5,400. Spot exchange is trading at 5,160-ish area. So about a $250 premium once again, which you probably remember from back over here in October, November, which were once again some very interesting times. Bitcoin had pumped up at that time, and just about a month or two later, well, that was your big red dump deal to Zillas over there, bringing us back below 6,000 to 3,000. So Bitcoin actually Tethers are suggesting or are having a great insight into that, saying, show me the charts and I'll tell you the news. And Tether's certainly suggesting that's not all is well and safe in SAFU. The attorneys and individual at Crypto Capital told the senior Bitfinex executive the reason that funds totaling $851 million could not be returned to Finex, key point, was because the funds were seized by governmental authorities in Portugal, Poland, and the United States. Based on statements made by the Council for Respondents by OAG attorneys, respondents do not believe Crypto Capital's representations that the funds have been seized. It says, is there any way we can get money from you, Tether or any other form? Apart with Crypto Capital, we are running low in cash reserves. Please help.
Running low on cash. Please help.
Wow, holy shit. We are below, we rejected from the blue 377 exponential moving average, and we are currently holding above the yellow 21 exponential moving average, which is going to be the range from the 80-area time frame perspective. If Bitcoin breaks below the 21 exponential moving average, which is around 51, let's just call it 5130, I will be looking for a move down here to about 4750-ish area, 4700, 4800, 4750, just give or take $50. We'll call it that. By the same token, if we do take out 5300 to the upside, then this is going to turn into a massive bear trap where we're going to likely have a quick move towards our prior highs at 56 and likely beyond after that. This prison food tastes like shit. It's FUD. Litecoin, Lower time frames, I mean, the bounce to me looks like it already got faded. Next support's going to be around $66, $68. Bitcoin right over here, all it comes down to right now on the lower time frames is what we're doing in this area. As long as we're being held below 5,200, I am looking for another move to the downside. And if we can actually confirm a 4-hour deal to close below about 5,100-ish area, and then more importantly, if we can close the daily below that area, then I would be looking for further continuation over, over time, whether it's like this weekend or next week or whatever it is, down to about 47.50. So that's kind of what I'm looking at right here. By the same token, if Bitcoin does take out about 53.20 to the upside, I'd be looking at this as a bear trap, and that we're going to pop back up to about 5,600. So currently, Bitcoin's kind of in a no trade zone in my opinion. If it if it breaks down below 5,100 on the daily, I'm short towards 47.50. If it even ticks above 53.20, I am bullish for move back up to about likely 55 and likely 56. I'll be on the Discord tonight, so looking forward to chatting with you there, and take care.